Oh, what's up everybody? Today we're gonna do the sneezing prank. We have a spray bottle, a small one. We're gonna go behind people, spray it and sneeze at the same time.
Yeah, it should be pretty nice. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah, please like it. Watch it till the end.
Yeah, and we're sorry about last week. We didn't upload anything because we were busy.
Yeah.
We had tests.
It's the end of the school year.
So yeah, we will upload more videos later.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoy and see you. Bye.
Why did you come today? I think we won this.
Yeah.